Hello, welcome back to Buzz Cooks. Today we're doing the French omelet from the hit show The Bear. I believe it was episode 9 of season 2 this year. Fancy way to do an omelet, and it's a lot of fun. We're going to start off with 3 eggs. We're going to put those into a strainer, just like she did on the show. Over a bowl, we're going to whisk those eggs through the strainer. It's going to take a little bit of time, but it's going to get a lot of air incorporated into the eggs for a nice fluffy omelet. Once we get those eggs whisked up nice, we're going to turn our flame on to medium-high, get our omelet pan out, a couple knobs of butter, get that melted, spread evenly throughout the pan, and then we're going to add our eggs. Have a spatula ready. As soon as you put the eggs in, you want to shake the pan and move those eggs around. Work the edges and work the middle. And once you start to see you get to the point of almost scrambled eggs, that's when you're going to stop. So keep working and shaking. Spread it around nice and even. Now at any grocery store you can pick up Boursin cheese, which is a soft cheese with flavors. Add that to a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, you can use a Ziploc bag like I did. Just fill it, cut the corner off, and you're just going to spread a nice even amount across the omelet. Alright, now we're going to tilt the pan and slowly work that omelet and roll it until you get to the end. Then you're going to roll it and flip it right out, and there you have it. Get a little piece of butter, put that right on top to melt. That's how the French love their butter. Next, I've got some chives that I've chopped up. Sprinkle those on top. And just like in the show, Ruffles, sour cream and onion, potato chips. Grab a handful, crush them up, spread them out over the omelet, and you have the omelet made from the hit show The Bear. Delicious. Give it a try. It's a lot of fun. And if you haven't watched the show yet, it's a great show, especially if you like cooking. It's on Hulu. And that's about it. All right, subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you next show. Thank you.